clean the window. He's been doing this since this morning. I think he's seeing his reflection, and I think he thinks it's like another like he's in love with himself. Here we go. I must have cleaned the window too good. That's you. That's you. There's not another bird in here. That's you. It's you. It's your reflection. Oh, you're gonna get hurt. See, look, I'm in here. There's not another bird in here. It's you. You're gonna get hurt. Oh no. Okay, here we go. Maybe I gotta put something there now. We're just doing this all day. All right, much love.